1 carrot slices, 2 tablespoons of corn kernels, and some roughly chopped cabbage. 1 tablespoon of chopped onion, and 2 to 3 chopped garlic. Half cup of corn kernels. 1 chopped carrot. Some chopped coriander leaves and 2 to 3 green chilies. Half cup of chopped spring onion. 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Salt as per taste. 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Transfer corn kernels and make smooth paste. Paste is ready. Hit die and transfer veggies. Add little salt. Add 2 to 3 glasses of water. Mix and let it cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Veggies are cooked well. Strain water. Hit die and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add chopped onion. Add chopped garlic. Stir fry. Add chopped carrot. Add chopped green chilies. Add some corn kernels. Stir fry. Add salt. Add black pepper and chili flakes. Add corn paste. Mix and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add boiled water. Cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Soup is cooked well. Give a mix. Add chopped spring onion. Add 2 tablespoons of water in corn, flour, and mix. Add corn flour slurry and give a quick mix. Add 1 cup of water and mix. This is the perfect consistency. Add chopped coriander leaves. Add vinegar. Mix it. Tasty corn soup is ready. Turn off flame. Time to serve tasty and spicy corn soup. Garnish with boiled veggies. Enjoy tasty and delicious corn soup when it is hot. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.